gelling into a competitive national team. It's really exciting. It's like planting a fruit tree and starting to see the fruits bud and give the promise of fruits. So this is very exciting. But to say this is the only way to the top, there is no other way. There is no shortcut. There is no magic. The only way to the top is to invest in a robust, deliberate, intentional, structured youth development program.
This is big because when you look at Europe, especially in UEFA, whenever the senior team is playing, the U21s or U20s or U19s play the day before or the day after. And we want to adopt this format because we are very serious about development. We also now have a ministry that's serious about developing. I think that we have been wanting to do this, or we couldn't do it before because we didn't have the right investment. I think that now with the cooperation we have between ourselves and the ministry, this is possible. When you look on this pitch now, there are about 60 boys in the development pipeline, 60, who all can play for Harambee Stars. Among them, one day, maybe 5-6 years from today, 11 will play for Harambee Stars.